Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to start using the RPC of BlockHaven to start DEX sniping on Uniswap and PancakeSwap. The link to the GitHub repository would be in the description, and also some links to tutorials how to install Python and Git on Windows. So the first thing you need to do is install Python and Git. After you have that set up, you need to go and copy the link to the repository, go to a folder that you want it to be cloned into, start it in PowerShell, and do a git clone to the repository. After a while, you see the files appearing, so the GitHub repository has been successfully cloned. The next thing you need to do is you need to, we have actually done that in the settings.json. We have added the RPC of BlockHaven. This is for using it on PancakeSwap because it's using the BNB RPC. And if you want to use the Uniswap, you have to change it to the Ethereum.blockhaven.tech. And the second thing you need to do is you need to acquire your public key of MetaMask and your private key. So how you're going to do that is by going to MetaMask. Here is your public key. You can just copy it to clipboard, go to the files that you just cloned, go to settings, here MetaMask address, you should paste it here, and then get the private key by clicking here, account details, show private key, you have to give in your password and hold here to reveal your private key. Yeah, you copy it, you give it in, and you save the file. After that, you will need to paste the code that is here. You have to go Python pip install the requirements. It will install all the libraries and the requirements needed for it. So you paste it here. You have to first go to the correct directory by listing the directories and going to DEX. And after that, you can install the requirements. This may take a while, so I'm going to skip it. So after installing all the needed requirements, you would be able to use the sniper bot. So there are a lot of options here. You can read them one by one and see how you can set them up to the needed options that you would like to use. And I will just use this example. So it uses the token address, this, the amount 0.1 BNB, the transaction amount is 2, and HP is for honeypots. Checks if it's honeypot or not. WB, you can check it here, wait blocks, so it waits for 10 blocks before buying it, and the TP is for the percentage you want to take profit from. So it's on 50. You will just run it like this, paste it here, change the settings, and you press enter, and it's done. Now that you've seen how to set up and use this sniper bot on PancakeSwap and Uniswap, there's one final piece to truly level up your game, and that's your RPC. Most people overlook this part, but like your RPC is the backbone of every action your bot takes. If it's slow, congested, or unreliable, your sniper fails, your profits shrink, and you're left wondering what went wrong. That's why BlockHaven RPCs were built with performance, reliability, and traders in mind. We offer geo-routed, multi-chain optimized RPC endpoints that are tested by builders like you, traders, and degens every day. Whether you're sniping, tracking mempools, or just need lightning fast response times, this is where it happens. So use our bnb.blockhaven.tech for Binance Smart Chain, and if.blockhaven.tech for Ethereum. It's fast, it's stable, and ready for your next play. Don't get bottlenecked by shared or bloated RPCs, plug in hours, and win by milliseconds. Thank you.